There is a wheel bearing that needs fitting in. It comes from a motorcycle storehouse. And for me, poor boy, I won. Right, we've got the wheel bearing out. Okay. We have these powder coated, and the wheel bearings are absolutely knackered, to put it mildly. Okay. Now this wheel, I thought was an FXR wheel. Obviously isn't, because it takes these big ass bearings. Okay. FXR bearing is this wide. This is the wheel. So it's actually not an FXR wheel at all, even though it's sold as a bloody FXR wheel. It's like some shitty dyno wheel. But that does save me using this kit to convert the taper rollers to solid, or obviously this is a rim because it's a wide spindle. Okay, I use them on the front, which officially you can't, but it does fit if you cut the spindle down. Okay, also you get these two beautiful chrome things that go on the edge of the bearing. Okay, but what we're going to do is basically fit these two sexy as hell bearings you can see here, guys. Okay, so ooh, shed driver, shitty fucking cars. Okay, we're going to put that in loose like that, then we're just going to tap him down on the edge of touch. Okay, like this, just to get a rough in. I'm not going to hit it directly on the top. Then we're going to put our Jim's tool in. Got that one.